Hello there. Right, now in this video I want to have a quick talk about short videos. We all like them. Well, it's one of them things you work better when you're listening to music. So they say. I know I do. I like it. It keeps you company as well as everything else. Helps you think. Trouble is, you can't have it on your videos. So every time you want to record something, you've got to go and stop it. I've got a short video. I'll show you. It's behind this dust curtain here. There's a CD player and radio and such, and there it is. Quick before I get banned, turn it back off again. And I've got a remote control for it, which works fine sometimes, but it's a dusty environment, and sometimes it's a damp environment. It can get in it, and to be honest, not very reliable. So I tend not to use it very much. And then the tendency builds up that when you're recording something, when you want to make a video, the thing stays off right the way through the day, because it's just too much hassle going back. Turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, and so on. So I needed to think of something a little bit more up to date, a bit more friendly, a bit more something. Also, I have it upstairs because I have a second workshop up there. You know, it's a small workshop. So I have a second one there. So I've got the wires running up there and a couple of speakers up there as well. So when I turn that on, everywhere lights up, loads of noise everywhere, which is good, except the speakers down here are a little bit quieter than the ones upstairs, so I turn it up a bit down here. When I go up there, I get deafened. So there's a little issue like that, but otherwise, it works okay. Things work quite fine. My only dilemma is stops out when you're recording videos. So I decided to go a little bit more tech and look at what was more in keeping with what I needed, what could do the job, a little bit more technical. So what have I done? I went to Alexa. Yeah, here, I just got one. Let's do a little unboxing while we're at it, shall we? I've got here an Alexa Echo Dot. Oh, an Echo Dot. The Alexa's a program within it. So I've got an Echo Dot, brand spanking new. I've got some over home. Amazon are doing a great deal on them at the moment, really cheap, not about a 10 off it or something. And for what you get inside these things, you cannot complain about that. So anyway, let's have a look at how simple these things are, and when it comes to the workshop, just how easy they are to incorporate into what you're doing. And there we have the Dot. This one is a nice pinky colour. Nice plastic protection, keeping nice and safe. Instructions, and then underneath you actually get a full charger and cable, which is useful when you think of all the Android things you get these days. They don't even give you a charger anymore. They just make you rely on using what you've already got. Okay, charger's simple enough. We'll come to that in a minute. It is actually its own type plug socket. They haven't gone to the micro USB for some reason. Maybe they want to keep things defined, I don't know, or maybe it's down to the voltage or some reason that they're keeping things separate from the Android type setup. Okay, so we remove the plastic packaging first and ready to get it set up. Now, they've got instructions there. It gives you basics of what to do and how to do it, but if you've had one before, you don't need to. And if you're watching this video, you don't need to either, because really, it is very simple. I think taking this packaging off is probably the hardest part of it all. Okay, so first thing we do, plug that in. Now, if you've got an account with Amazon, then you're probably already set up ready for it. They've got an app for the Alexa. You need to download that. Once that's downloaded, everything is quite straightforward and quite quick. Once you connect this in and you go to your app, it will then talk you through everything you've got to do. So let's have a look at it. Plug it in and wait and see. I'll then go to the app. You see the blue lights lit up there, all nice and pretty straight away, showing you it's now looking around and trying to find what to do. I'll open my app And there's me Amazon app. If it'll sit there, no, it'll slide over here. Of course it will. Right, anyway, so I've got there my Amazon app. And as I said, I've got other ones on anyway. Here we go, listen in.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Hello.
Okay, you open the app. First thing you want to do is go to devices. Click on the device button at the bottom there. It'll open up any devices you've got. Click a plus button. Now, it will start searching for them. Add a device. There we have it at the bottom there, at the top rather. Click there because that's the one we wanted. Now, Amazon Echo. Not wrong. I'm going to press on the wrong button there. Right, Echo Dot. There we have it. Right, an Echo Dot. And there it is. Now, it's telling you. We have it. Okay, it's now searching.
La connexion Wi-Fi n'est pas configurée. Pour obtenir de l'aide, rendez-vous dans votre application Alexa.
And it has found it. There we are. So basically, it struggled a little bit there because my Wi-Fi setup here is a little bit temperamental, so it doesn't come straight away. But there we have it. Echo Dot. Click on there, and up it comes. And you see, it's now connected itself. What we want. Select the network you want it on. I've got two here, so I'll select that one. That's what I want it on. Enter password. If I get it right, let's see.
Your Echo is ready.
Okay, it's connected. Good. None. Now you get to select where it is. I'm not sure if it'll have in this category workshop. It doesn't. Create your own. Workshop. Continue. Now the Echo has told me it's ready, as you heard, but the app is saying it didn't connect. We've got that correct. Now you set your address, continue. Now a free offer, no thank you. And go to home. Right, okay, everything is now set. Now we'll see if it's correct. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 3:25 p.m.
That tells me it's connected to the internet. Simple as that. Okay, so now my local station is CFM. That's the one I listen to all the time. That is available online, so I don't need a radio anymore. Alexa, play CFM.
Okay, here's FEM. Thank you for enabling C. F. M. To start, just say play C. F. M. And I will begin. If you want to know what track is currently
Alexa, play
playing...
CFM.
C. F. M.
Now that was just the first time. Alexa, be quiet.
Thank you for listening to C. F. M.
And there we have it. We don't want it playing too long, otherwise we're going to start getting censored again. But there we have, simply our radio on there, and we want it any volume you want, and we'll try like this. Alexa, play CFM.
C. F. M.
Alexa, volume 1. Alexa, volume 9. Alexa, volume 3. Alexa, volume 3. See, you couldn't hear me because it was too loud. Alexa, be quiet. And it goes off. It's as simple as that.
To C. F.
Now then, the only other thing I will say about these things, I mean obviously now it's Alexa, it's added to the internet, you can now do anything. You can ask it anything. Alexa, what is 300 millimeters in inches?
300 millimeters is about 12 inches.
Thank you. Yes, I use that. Saves you going to conversion, doesn't it? Alexa, what are the best wood screws to use for MDF?
Are you looking for wood screws to use for MDF?
Yes.
A top-rated choice for wood screws to use for MDF on Amazon is Gorilla 236ml wood glue. It's rated 4.7 stars by more than 1,700 customers and is a bestseller. It's £4.59 on Amazon.
And I could then just ask it to order that for me because I've got an Amazon account, and it would instantly order it and charge it to my normal billing system. It makes it quite easy when you're in the workshop to get all these things done. You're halfway through doing something and you realise you've got something missing. Alexa, do you have any Stanley knife blades?
Are you trying to shop for Stanley knife blades?
Yes.
A top result is Stanley 1992 knife blades HD2 11921. It's £2.49, including VAT, with delivery by the 3rd of August. Choose this or another option in your Amazon basket, where you can review product and seller details before proceeding to checkout.
Interesting. Okay, right, so we can see there a lot of versatility. My only drawback now with this is what that upstairs. I can unplug it and take it away. That's an option. Or I can add a Bluetooth speaker to it. Bring in a conventional, any type, Bluetooth speaker. And that is it. Now you have to go into your app to do it. You can't actually ask Amazon Dot thing to do, I won't use the name. You can't actually ask the Dot to do that. You've got to go into the Dot's actual instructions in here. So you go into Gadget, Device it shows here, and I've got them listed here. You see our Workshop is there now. I click on the Workshop and I'm going into Settings. Okay, and in the list of settings, you'll see there Bluetooth device. Click Bluetooth device. And it comes up to you want a pair. So, before you do that, a bit dusty, turn on your Bluetooth object, Chinese of course.
Bluetooth mode.
There we are, Bluetooth mode. Now we've got to search for it. So, you click on Add Device and it should start flickering there. There you are, it's searching. Now searching for this. Depending on the strength, will depend on how long it takes to get to it. But there it is, already found. Click on it. It's connecting.
Bluetooth connected.
And there we have it, connected. So, now we can go back. We can take this thing away. And we can have this thing. And we can say, Alexa, play CFM.
FM.
We've been playing along so far today with our workplace quiz, where we get you on, we ask you a couple of questions every couple of hours and just see how many you can get right across the dates. Robbie, he asked you about Carlisle. Pete asked you about rappers. It's his specialist subject. Sci-fi at 1:30, and now my round. Well, typical for a Friday afternoon. Going back to your school days. Last lesson, geography. What is the capital city of Australia?
Bluetooth connected.
And which language is
Straight
spoken
away.
in Brazil?
So,
What language is spoken?
as you can see,
Do you have the answer?
Alexa, be quiet. Too loud for itself.
Thank you for listening to CFM. Goodbye.
Okay, so what I'm showing you here is, that is downstairs, this is upstairs, it's turned off. You're going up there, there is no music up there, just down here. I'm not getting deafened when I go up there because the speakers are too loud. I've not got cables running everywhere. Alexa, good. Alexa's down here, humming away with my music as I want it. As soon as I go up there, I can just turn this on. As soon as I turn it on, the music comes straight through to here and shuts up downstairs. Before I come down, I just press and turn it back up again. I can't see it being any simpler than that, really. Because also, when I'm working out in the compound, at this present moment, I'm in silence. I don't have radio out there of any kind. Can't hear it through the wall. Even if it's blaring away in here, I can't hear it through there. I can take this with me and turn it on. The Bluetooth will work through there. It'll work 10 metres and it's just straight through a stone wall. So, in general, I think there, I've mastered the problem of the radio. I've mastered the problem of recording and such things and having music anywhere I want it, and I've added a beehive of information to the workshop. Anything I need to know, almost, I can ask. There's a good chance I'm going to get an answer. Also, I can add a diary to it. If I add a diary to it while I'm doing stuff, I can be telling it to remind me. I can be doing some gluing up and I'll say, Alexa, give me an alarm in 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
And in 30 seconds time, it'll tell me my gluing job is ready. I'm not sitting around there wondering whether it's going to do it. Tack it, is it tack it, is it ready? Impact adhesive, waiting for it to go off, enough time or not? It will tell me instantly. So, all these little things, you can add to that and build up on it and get used to it. And for what? That costs 29 quid. 29 quid. This is why I say, this has got to be, there's my alarm. 10 seconds up, 30 seconds are up. Alexa, turn off alarm. Used to how it works, but it's fun to do it because I mean you can be asking stupid things. Alexa, tell us a joke.
What do you get if you cross a bird, a limo, and a puppy? A flying carpet.
A flying carpet, okay, very good. Well done. Alexa, very good.
Thanks for your feedback.
I like that. Anyway, so you can get all these little things. You can even have it do a audio book while you're working if you wanted, if it doesn't distract you. You can't get these sort of things with a radio, a shop radio, and you don't have the control of it. The other extra little bit is that because my network is hooked up and piggybacked from the house network all around, I can get this hooked up to the Amazon ones in the house. And if the wife needs me, she can call me through it. And vice versa, I can call her back. So, extra communication systems as well. There's a lot of things going for it. So if you're in the market or having hassle with your shop radio, rather than walking around with headphones on, which Bluetooth headphones, you can do if you want, rather than doing that because you don't want to disturb your videos, you can have instant control. And you get all the extra features to go with it. You can build on it. Again, also, it controls your security systems. If you've got security systems in your workshop, you can get it to activate them. And it's piggybacked through the house, so again, I can communicate with that in here from over there, if I need to. It's called Workshop. It's got a name. Simple. Right, well, I hope you found some of that interesting. I have. I'm going to have fun playing around with it. But if there's anything you need to add to that, if there's all you want to tell me about, or if you've got any questions you want to ask on it, please shove them in the box. I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Otherwise, stick a like in the box if you like it. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do that and tick that bell as well so you get the notifications when these things come through. Otherwise, thanks again for watching. See you again next time. Bye for now. Time to play. Alexa, CFM. Alexa, play CFM, please. Don't be aggressive.
CFM.